I never imagined in my wildest contemplations that the very device we clutch in our pocket, the illumination that bathes us from above, or even the air we draw into our lungs with each breath could all be the work of 10 brilliant minds. In merely 9 minutes, we're about to reveal the incredible story of how these scientific titans and architects of human progress have meticulously woven the tapestry of our existence. They're the masterminds behind our modern life upon whose shoulders we stand, the architects of modernity, whose contributions have so fundamentally shaped our world that we often forget to acknowledge their profound legacy. Before we start, see that like button? Smash it right now, because Scientist number 7 is why you can even watch this video. Let's get it. Let the countdown begin. At number 10, we have Louis Pasteur, a pioneering scientist whose work has saved countless lives. Picture this. You're in the 1800s. Every glass of milk could kill you. Every cut could be your last. But one man changed everything. Pasteur didn't just save your breakfast. He saved humanity. Those vaccines protecting you right now? Yeah, that was him. Imagine a world where the smallest cut could mean your demise. Before Pasteur, infections from minor injuries were often fatal. Pasteur unveiled the invisible world of microbes, showing that diseases were not caused by bad air or imbalances, but by tiny organisms. His groundbreaking work in germ theory revolutionized medicine. Pasteurization, a process named after him, meant safer food and longer lives. By heating milk to kill harmful bacteria, Pasteur ensured that people could consume dairy products without fear of deadly infections. Vaccines for rabies and anthrax disarmed deadly diseases. Pasteur's development of the rabies vaccine was a monumental achievement, providing a cure for a disease that was once a death sentence. Louis Pasteur, the man who tamed the invisible and changed human health forever. His legacy lives on in every vaccination, every pasteurized product, and every life saved from infection. Number 9. Thomas Edison. Imagine living in complete darkness after sunset. For thousands of years, humans did exactly that. Then Edison showed up. But here's the crazy part. The light bulb wasn't even his best invention. Before Edison, night meant darkness. The light bulb was a declaration that humanity could bend nature to its will. The phonograph and motion picture camera transformed communication and storytelling. Edison didn't just light our homes, he illuminated the path to the future. Thomas Edison, synonymous with innovation. Number 8. James Clerk Maxwell. Right now, invisible waves are passing through your body. They're carrying this video, your texts, maybe even your favorite song. Maxwell wrote the rules that make all of this possible. Without him, no phones, no internet, no YouTube. Maxwell was a master of mathematics who composed the Symphony of Electromagnetism. His equations unleashed the potential of electricity and magnetism. They paved the way for wireless communication. Your phone, Wi-Fi, and radio signals stem from Maxwell's work. James Clerk Maxwell, the unsung hero of the digital age. Number 7. Michael Faraday. Remember when I said this guy's the reason you're watching? Every single electronic device you own works because of him. That's right. Faraday discovered how to turn motion into electricity. Mind blown yet? Faraday unlocked the power of electromagnetism, turning curiosity into civilization-changing inventions. His electric motor and dynamo were doorways to a new era. Every time you switch on a light or charge your phone, you witness Faraday's legacy. Michael Faraday electrified human potential. Number 6. Galileo Galilei, the original cosmic rebel. Everyone told him the Earth was the center of everything. His response? Let's check. One telescope later, he flipped the entire universe upside down, literally. Galileo's contributions to astronomy and science were revolutionary, challenging the very foundations of the established order. His relentless curiosity and innovative spirit paved the way for modern science. Galileo challenged the heavens with his telescope, shattering old assumptions. He meticulously recorded his observations, providing undeniable evidence that contradicted the long-held geocentric view of the universe. He saw mountains on the moon and moons orbiting Jupiter. These discoveries were groundbreaking, revealing that celestial bodies were not perfect spheres, but had their own landscapes and satellites. The heavens were dynamic, filled with wonders. Galileo's observations showed that the universe was far more complex and fascinating than previously imagined. Earth wasn't the center of the universe, but another planet around the sun. This heliocentric model, proposed by Copernicus and supported by Galileo's findings, revolutionized our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Galileo's observations were a giant leap for our understanding of the cosmos. His work laid the groundwork for future astronomers and scientists, inspiring generations to explore the mysteries of the universe. Number 5. Nikola Tesla, the original tech genius. While everyone else was trying to light a single room, Tesla was figuring out how to power entire cities. And get this, he did it all while feeding pigeons in the park. True story. A man whose name is synonymous with innovation and futuristic thinking. Tesla dreamed of a world powered by alternating current, a revolutionary idea at the time. He believed that AC power could efficiently transmit electricity over long distances, unlike the direct current systems that were prevalent. He envisioned electricity powering homes, factories, and cities, transforming the way we live and work. His vision was not just limited to lighting up homes, but also to energizing industries and entire cities. His inventions, from the Tesla coil to radio technology, were ahead of their time. These innovations laid the groundwork for many modern technologies we take for granted today. Tesla's legacy is the spirit of innovation and human ingenuity. His relentless pursuit of knowledge and his groundbreaking inventions continue to inspire scientists and engineers around the world. Nikola Tesla illuminated the path to our electrified future. His contributions have shaped the modern world, making him a true visionary whose impact is still felt today. Number 4. Marie Curie, 2 Nobel Prizes, 0 fear. All while society said women couldn't be scientists. She discovered radioactivity, but here's what your textbooks don't tell you. She did it in a shed with equipment she built herself. Curie defied societal expectations, unlocking secrets within the atom. She pioneered research in radioactivity, leading to life-saving cancer treatments. Curie was the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes in different scientific fields. Her legacy is in the countless lives saved by her research. Number 3. Charles Darwin. Evolution isn't just about monkeys, it's about you, your body, your brain, every living thing on Earth. Darwin showed us we're all connected in one massive family tree. And speaking of family, Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection began on the HMS Beagle. His book, On the Origin of Species, was a paradigm shift in understanding life. Darwin showed the interconnectedness of all living things. His work continues to shape our understanding of life on Earth. Number 2, Sir Isaac Newton. The Apple story? Kind of true. But the real story is how one man sitting alone during a plague lockdown cracked the code of the universe. Gravity isn't just about falling apples, it's about everything. Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation were foundational. They explained why objects fall, why planets orbit, and why tides ebb and flow. Newton's work laid the groundwork for centuries of scientific advancement. Sir Isaac Newton defined the laws of reality itself. And at number 1, Albert Einstein. You probably expected this, but did you know your GPS wouldn't work without his theories? That's right, time moves differently up there in space. Einstein proved it, and that's just the beginning. Einstein's theories of relativity were seismic shifts in understanding space, time, and gravity. EMC2 unlocked the energy within the atom, changing human history. Einstein was a pacifist, humanitarian, and champion of reason. Albert Einstein was a beacon of enlightenment. These 10 people didn't just change the game, they rewrote the rules of reality itself. But there's one mind-blowing connection between all of them that I haven't told you yet. Want to know what it is? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready for part 2. Drop A in the comments if you learned something new today. Part 2 is even crazier. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.